In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur the background in Photoshop. So it's real easy to do. So it's a good way to create depth in something or pull focus to a certain part of a photo that you want to pull focus to. So what we can do here is I have a photo here. It's just a picture of Harry Potter. It's one picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to blur the background of this photo. So go ahead and make sure that your layer is selected, drag this down and make a new layer. Just copy it. And then what we can do is stay on your top layer and go over here to all of your options here, and we're going to select the magic wand tool. You can see some of the other options here, but we're going to stick with the magic wand. Go ahead to the very top where it says select subject, and we're going to select it. And this is a really quick and easy way. You can be more precise with a quick selection or a lasso tool, pen tool, but this is a good way to do it very quickly and easy. And most of the time, it works almost perfect. So once you have that selected, we're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner here and create a layer mask. And then we're going to select the layer below it and go up here to filter at the very top here. And we're going to go to blur and Gaussian blur. So what that's going to do is you can see right here, I can make it 0 and there's no blur, but then I can make it very, very blurry. And that subject that we selected is still crystal clear. And that's the point. So you can still have your image focused and nice and clear, and then be able to blur your background as much as you want. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.